Yes, this is Monster Jam Top Dog, and this is the Field Trucks for Time Series 857. Here we go. Monster Jam Collected Racing, you're in Georgia. I'm in higher education. The truck will drive, you're in Superman. The rest of the trucks to choose from: Bulldozer, Keter Sim Digger, Zombie, Middle Militia, Northern Nightmare, Zombie Fire, Airborne Ranger, Radical Rescue, Captain America, Shocker, Tropical Thunder, Black Stallion, Tough Enough, Queen Bee, Wildfire, Barbarian, Scooby-Doo, Biting Shots Fast, Horsepower, Monster of Dalmatian, Max D, Boogie Van, Storm Damage. That's it. See you guys later. Bye.